Hey guys, so you've made the mistake of playing School Idol Festival, and the second year Aqua Limited box comes up. You only have 250 gems, and you're wondering to yourself, what's the chance that I'm actually going to be able to pull a UR if I commit to drawing from this box? That's an excellent question. Let's figure that out. I'm actually going to rephrase it. What's the chance of not being able to draw any UR at all with 250 gems in that limited box? Okay, because if we know that answer, then we can flip it around and subtract from 1, and that's our probability, right? That's the chance of getting at least one UR. So in the limited box, there's 200 cards. Out of focus here. There's 2 URs. Okay. And if you have 250 gems, that's equal to 5 times 50, which is equal to 511 pulls, which is 55 pulls, essentially, is what you're looking at. And so, okay, we want to know what's the chance of not getting any UR at all with those 55 pulls. Well, with your first pull, the chances of not getting a UR, come on, get into focus, is 198 non-URs divided by 200 in total. The second card is 197 non-URs divided by 199 total. The third, 196 over 198. The fourth is 195 over 197. And you notice something, right? And so when you have probabilities like this, and these are, independent of each other, you can multiply those probabilities to kind of combine them. And as we go along, we see, the numerator and the denominators start to cancel out. And so that's going to continue to cancel out. With 55 pulls, the last pull will be, 145? Yeah. 145, 146, 147, 148, 146, 145, 144, 143, right? And as we cancel stuff out, what we're eventually going to be left with is, pardon all this movement, 4 numbers. That's equal to 144 times 143 divided by 200 times 199, which is, I pre-calculated this is 51% essentially. 52%, let's round it. And so that's the probability of no URs. Probability of despair despite having 250 gems is basically a coin toss. And so the flip side of that is the probability of at least one UR is 1 minus 52%, which is 48%. So there you have it. If you save up 250 gems and you go balls to the walls on the limited Aqua box, you have less than a 1 in 2 chance of getting any UR at all. Okay. Thanks for attending my TED Talk. Don't play Gacha games.